We're going to start running some benchmarks. We're going to start off with 3D Mark Firestrike. As you can see, our decimal meter is set off to the right-hand side. That is a GPU exhaust. So we're going to listen to the fans as they ramp up while they get under load. Also put this microphone down over there too so you can hear the fans kick up as well. Have hardware monitor running in the background, so we'll check out temperatures after it's done. And we'll also be shooting our FLIR thermal pictures and overlaying that so you can see where the heat is generated. And of course we'll go over the results and see how those compare to where they should be. .3D Mark Firestrike's all finished up, so I have the results in front of us here. So you see the score, 8,124, a graphics score, 9,222, physics score, 10,500, and a combined score of 3,640. And you're seeing that higher physics score because of the higher end CPU. It's not recognizing it, at least it's not showing us the actual CPU number. As you'll see there, processor is not recognized, but obviously is reflecting in the physics score. So let's take a look at the temperatures here. Got our CPU temperatures right here, fairly low, 72 to 78. So kind of up and down, but either way, really low numbers. Anytime you're in the 70s under load, that's going to be good. You also see the GPU just hit 70 on there, so also a very low temperature for the GPU under load as well. Okay, the second benchmark we're going to take a look at is Skydiver. You can see the results in front of us here. We got the score of 20,473, graphics score of 26,673, physics score 9,183, and a combined score 22,776. Got temperatures pulled up here. Let's move these over so you can see them. CPU temps a little bit higher, as you can see, compared to Firestrike anyway. Upper 70s, lower 80s. And the GPU, let's see, Firestrike we had 70, and we're at 69 here. So the GPU is right around the same temp. CPU is a little bit higher, but that will cover our results for Skydiver. Okay, we finished up 3D Mark 11. Have the results in front of us here. You see it's a P11,084. Have a graphics score of 12,308. Physics score 9,055. And a combined score of 7,867. Take a look at hardware monitor. Had it off to the side. You can see our CPU temperatures here. Looking at kind of scattered, 76, 83, 80, 79, 82. And then we're going to take a look at the GPU temperatures, 71. So very good results. The temperatures, while it's under any type of stress, those should be exactly, or they are exactly where they should be. Could maybe see a little bit lower, maybe a little bit better thermal compounds. Some IC Diamond might drop those temps down by a little bit. Since we have such a nice setup for the SSDs in here, we ran the crystal disk to see the read-write speeds here. So as you can see at the very top there, this sequential read, we're at 1,422 megabytes per second, and a write speed of 1,087 megabytes per second. So, over a gigabyte per second there, extremely fast. And then you see the 4K numbers, 29.69 read and 83.46 write. Again, megabytes per second, and those are important because they're the smaller files and more common for daily use.